How to solve Facebook video has no sounds. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to solve Facebook video has no sounds. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Here, tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings and privacy option and now tap on settings. Under preferences, you will see the option for media. Tap on that. Under sounds, make sure the in-app sound is toggled on and now go back and slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and increase the sound to your desired level, making sure that it is audible. Now go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Facebook application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app, and by now, your Facebook video should be working just fine with the sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.